as triangle. This is about triangle. Next, come to quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So, on this quadrilateral, which type of problems are there means, in the question they give 4 vertices, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3, D x4 y4, and they are asking the questions. What is that means? Prove that the given vertices make a parallelogram, or prove that the given vertices make a rectangle, or prove that the given vertices make a square. Like that they are asking the questions. So how can we do? Now once we discuss. So quadrilateral means we know very clearly. Quadrilateral means a polygon with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. That's why it has 4 sides. Suppose you have to take one quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. So they given what is that? A is x1, y1. B is what is that? x2, y2. C is what is that? x3, y3. D is what is that? x4, y4. So the method is what is that means? First we have to find out all the 4 sides of the quadrilateral. So sides. What are the sides? AB, BC, CD, DA. All the 4 sides you have to find out by using the distance formula, root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. And have to find out 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals. What are the diagonals? One is the AC, second one is the BD. You have to find out 2 diagonals, AC and BD. AC and BD. So totally you have to find out 6 lengths, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. Then we are getting some cases. The first one, parallelogram. So parallelogram means we know very clearly opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. And diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. That means AB is equal to, we are getting what is that? CD. Yes, BC is equal to, we are getting what is that? AD. Opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD. AD is equal to BC. And diagonals, AC is not equal to BD. Then we conclude that the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So parallelogram, how can you conclude, Amma? First you have to find out 4 sides and 2 diagonals. Opposite sides are equal. AB length and CD length both are equal. AD length and BC length both are equal. Opposite sides have equal lengths and diagonals are not equal. Then we conclude that the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. And the second one, suppose opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. And diagonals also equal. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Diagonals also equal. So that means AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. And diagonals, AC is equal to what is that? BD. And diagonals AC is equal to BD. Then we conclude that the given quadrilateral is what is that means? Rectangle. The given quadrilateral is a rectangle. Third one, all sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. All sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and diagonals AC is not equal to BD. Diagonals AC is not equal to BD. Then we conclude that this is called as rhombus. This is called as rhombus. Fourth one, all sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. And one more thing, AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Then we conclude that the given quadrilateral is a square. These are the conditions related with quadrilaterals. So which type of questions you will get means, in the question they given 4 vertices and they are asking show that the given vertices make a quadrilateral, given vertices make a parallelogram, given vertices make a rectangle, or given vertices make a rhombus, or given vertices make a square. So whatever may be this type of questions, the process, the method is what that means. First we have to find out the lengths of the 4 sides by using the distance formula. Next we have to find out 2 diagonals, AC and BD. So the first one, we are getting 2 cases. One is the opposite sides, second one is the all sides. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Then the quadrilateral becomes what that means, parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Then we are saying what that means, the given quadrilateral is a rectangle. All sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Then we are saying what that means, the given one is a rhombus. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Then we conclude what that means, the given one is a square. This is the one concept. Next one, the condition for triangle. Condition for triangle. That means which type of questions you will get means, they given 3 vertices, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, B x2 y2, C x3 y3, and they are asking what that means, are those points make a triangle or not. So that means what we do means, first you have to find out same AB, BC and CA, the lengths of the 3 sides. So how can you verify the given one make a triangle or not means, the condition is what that means, sum of any 2 sides. Sum of any 2 sides is greater than third side. Sum of any 2 sides is greater than third side. That means AB plus BC is greater than AC. Otherwise AB plus AC is greater than BC. Otherwise BC plus CA is greater than AB. 30 minutes, 29 minutes అంటే 20 above కదా.